If you're following me on Instagram, you would have seen me this morning. I was here doing a thing with this. Good evening. How are you doing? Fancy person. Trini Style Smoke House. It's here in Williamsville. Well, I think this is the junction for Ecclesville over here. But we're gonna go in and meet the master himself. This is the front of the place here, and this is the menu board. Pulled pork hash, cassava, pepper fries, pepper duck. I've never even heard of that. Pepper chicken. And we have a young lady in the back there. Hello. Hello. What's your name? How you doing, partner?
I did good.
Oh, man.
Name is Annalie.
Hello, Annalie. Oh, look at the eyes on Annalie, man. Probably not. I'll come around the back, all right?
Yeah, no problem.
What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click. And you know when you're at the smokehouse, because there's all the wood that he uses all over here. Nice big planks. So what we got going today?
Okay, so we have some pork chops, some pigtail, smoked duck, and smoked chicken.
Smoked chicken.
So typically how I like to do it is
And for the audience, what's your name again, sorry?
Andy.
Andy. So you gotta come check Andy here. Now I was saying that's Ecclesville Junction there, right?
No, that's Poonah Junction.
Poonah Junction, okay, I stand corrected. So Poonah Junction, because everybody keeps telling me, you need to go Williamsville, but I know this area, while it's still Williamsville, everybody talk about it. Easier to say Poonah Junction, right?
Yeah, it's Changor Supermarket, Changor Hardware. So it's just directly opposite.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna come. So this is where everything happens in here, right?
Okay, this side is the pork side.
Pork.
Yeah, so I do all my pork here. I do ribs, I do pork chop,
Okay.
I do pigtail on this side.
Nice.
See, it's still hot.
And the firebox is on the bottom down there, right? That's where all the wood and everything goes in there.
We'll crank it back up just now.
Yeah.
And this one is chicken.
Nice. We got the smoke happening here.
So this one is...
And get a little assistant, eh? This is where all the chicken goes, right?
Yeah, chicken and duck.
Now, what's your reason for separating both of them?
This community is a very mixed community, meaning there's a lot of Muslims and a lot of Christians and a lot of Hindus.
So you cater for both, right?
Yeah, I cater it for everybody. I have it separate for everybody. So nobody can say, you know what, they
Nothing,
can't see.
Yeah, nothing is contaminated with
Yes,
one or the other.
I have separate smokers for separate stuff and plus separate utensils.
Yeah.
So
Everything along the process is kept separate.
Yeah, you see?
Nice.
This side is pork, that side is chicken.
Yeah,
so what we're gonna do, we'll do some duck and chicken first, and then we'll go to the pork.
Okay, sounds good. And you were telling me earlier when I was here, that everything is local, even the sauces, everything is handmade. The meats are marinated overnight. You got a big wok here too, man.
Yeah, 2 of them. That's where we make our pepper fries and...
That seems to be the new trend in Trinidad, pepper fries, eh?
Pepper fries, pepper chicken. According how long I'll make some for you.
Actually, I am on my way to that restaurant I was telling you about, so I'm not sure how much. Now, from the looks of it looks like the duck, right?
Yeah, this is duck.
I have had duck in many different ways. I've never had it smoked before. How does it come across to the customers? Is it something that you had to teach them about, or?
Typically, smoke in the hole. A lot of Trinidadians don't know much about smoke. Typically, like the red ring you see in the meat, right?
Yeah.
They don't know about that.
Yeah,
They say the meat is raw, it's red.
Yeah.
So no, you gotta educate them and show them, well, hey, this is a process in which it will be red.
And the funny thing about it is that the people who do know about smoking and grilling and all that, if that red ring isn't there, they know something is off, right?
So you can
Oh,
try.
thank you. Wow.
So as you see, it's fresh chicken we have.
Nice.
We don't do no frozen chicken. Fresh pork, fresh duck, fresh pigtail, fresh rabbit. All my meats are fresh.
Now, with the different meats that you have, they're all marinated the same sort of process, like the same timing, or?
No. I tend to do some meat a little more.
Nice.
I find like chicken. If you over marinate chicken, there's a kind of a taste that I'd really like.
I think it's because the chicken is so tender compared to the other meats, it breaks down, right?
Yes, so I find chicken should only be marinated for this long period of time. After that, it'll be the same.
Okay.
How to take out this without breaking it, right?
Just falling apart, huh? Damn.
So here what we're gonna do. We're gonna try a piece of thigh, and then we're gonna do some breast.
Perfect.
So you try the difference. And this is our sauces.
So we got 3 different sauces here, all different colors, and I'm guessing.
This is my smoke sauce.
Okay. All handmade, right?
Yep. This is my garlic sauce.
Gotta have garlic sauce in Trinidad.
And this is our pepper sauce.
Pepper sauce, nice.
But
again, all local ingredients and everything as well.
I make pepper sauce every day.
Every day.
I don't like the taste of when you put it in the fridge. It's become like my pepper sauce.
Yeah, not only that, it loses the heat and the flavor, right?
Yeah. So try this for a while.
I'll come across back on the other side. And we got the chicken breast now, all smoked, and you can see the sort of smoke ring on the outside, looking nice and juicy. If you take a look, it didn't dry out at all. So here I have the chicken thighs with the different sauces that's available here: the barbecue, the pepper sauce, and the garlic sauce. I'm gonna try both with and without sauces. But as a true indicator whether something good or not, right? You can try to kill it with sauces if it stands up on its own. Now this is salted pigtail, right? Or is it just normal pigtail?
This is fresh pigtail.
Fresh pigtail. Oh, it's falling apart in my fingers, man. That's nice. Now, I fell in love with the duck, I'll be honest with you. But I'm a pigtail boy from small, right? Look at that. This is nice, boy.
If you find that was nice, right? Try something here.
So we're doing a combo now.
Just dip it in the middle where the two mix.
Wow, you know your product, boy. Big difference in taste.
It's not overpowering and lightening it. It's just you're getting all the flavors when you mix it together.
Yeah, it balances off things nicely and it enhances the meat, as you're saying. That is lovely, man. So if someone wants to contact you,
you can contact me on 705-1692 at Trini Style Smoke House. WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Instagram is Trini Style
Smoke House. Yeah.
So you can contact me and you can go from here. I'm in Williamsville at Poonah Junction.
And this is a family operation because
Yeah.
the lady behind everything, she's shy. She's over here. And we got the little lady in the back there. She is all cleaning up. And we've got another lady. There she is, just fresh from school. So yeah, friends, something unique to Trinidad and Tobago, as from my perspective anyways. Smoke, especially that smoked duck. That thing really stands out, man. Thanks a lot for hosting us. Trini Style Smoke House. And we got advancing some more.